Hello my dear students, welcome you all in today's video session, Standard 5th, Subject English Grammar. Today I am going to explain you the new topic that is how to write an informal letter. Let's begin. What is informal letter? An informal letter is a non-official letter that we usually use to write to our friends, family or relatives. These letters are personal letters that are not used for official purposes. There could be many reasons for which we write these letters to our family and friends. For example, if we want to inform them about our achievement in school or college, then we can write them a letter to spread our personal news. So, students, it can be written to the close ones for personal communication and require a casual or emotional tone while writing. We are going to learn that is what is informal letter. Then we are going to see format of the letter and the example is given of the letter. So what is letter, students? A letter is a form of written communication between two persons on a particular topic, matter, issue, incident, etc. It serves the purpose of documentation as well. Here we are going to see types of letters. So first we are going to see formal letter, then we are going to see that is informal letter. So formal letter. Formal letter is used when writing school essays, cover letters for job applications or emails and letters at work. Informal letter is written for used when communicating with friends, family and relatives. So here in formal letters you can use dear sir or madam. In informal letter you can use hi Robert. Okay. Then formal letter you can use I am writing to inform you. Informal letter you can use just wanted to let you know. Then at last at the end of the letter you can use yours sincerely, yours faithfully, and in informal letters you can use love, cheers, yours truly, best regards, kind regards. You can call me if you need anything. You can use this sentence in formal letters, and in informal letter you can use please do not hesitate to contact me. Then at the end, in the body part of the letter you can write I look forward to hear from you, and in informal letter you can use that is hope to hear from you soon. How to write an informal letter? So first step is sender's address will come, that is name and address. Then second, that is date, like 29th September 2020. Okay. Then salutation, that is dear angel, bestie, dear mother. Then body part, that will be the actual message. Then complimentary close, that is yours lovingly, sincerely. At the last, at the end of the letter it will come name and sign. Okay, that is the sixth step. So body part of the letter. Now, the body of the letter contains the actual message. It is usually divided into three subcategories, that is introduction, main content and summary. The introduction tells the purpose of the letter, the main content conveys all the necessary details, and the last paragraph summarized the information. Points to remember while writing informal letter. So the first one is casual tone, we should use it. Then contractions. For example, don't use I haven't, instead use I have not. Then exclamatory sentences, active voice, no strict rule. There is a format of the letter. So let's understand the format of an informal letter. An informal letter must have 6 things in it. That is, first step is sender address, where the sender name and address will come, and the sender is the one who is writing the letter. Then next is date. You have to put here date. Okay. Then on which date you are writing. Then dear bestie, dear friend, your friend's name or to whomever you are writing the letter. Here it will come, that is known as salutation. So next step is the body part of the letter. The body part of the letter contains the actual message. It is usually divided into three subcategories, that as I told you, that is introduction, main content and summary. The next is complimentary close, that is yours sincerely, your lovingly, okay, yours faithfully, and at the last you have to write the your name or sign. Here is given that is sample or format of an informal letter. Of letter. My dear friend Sarah, I wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with good health, happiness, and a long life. I am fortunate to have you as my best friend. It has been a long span of 5 years since we met for first time, and to me these 5 years have been the most fruitful period of my life. You know how choosy I am about friends. When you call me your friend, I really feel honored. I am proud to have such a kind hearted friend. I have learned so many good things as we were together. You have always been my philosopher and a guide as well in this journey of life so far. I want to grab this opportunity to thank you for your support, your encouragement, and your precious company. I am grateful to God that He introduced me to you. Sarah, I am happy to write a letter to you wishing you for your birthday. I feel proud to have a helping and lovable friend like you. It was great to spend time with you and want to keep up this relationship forever. I wish you a great success. I wish you a very happy birthday. I am expecting to meet you soon. Yours lovingly, Michael. In such a way, you have to write your letter. Okay. So, thank you for watching. Keep learning and have a nice day.